Changing the language in a SoundCloud app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the SoundCloud app. Launch the SoundCloud app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account for full access to the settings. Step 2. Access the profile menu. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to settings. In the profile menu, look for the settings option and select it. This will open a new menu with various options related to your account. Step 4. Find language settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language option. Tap on it to view the available language choices. Step 5. Select your preferred language. Choose your desired language from the list provided. Once selected, the app will automatically update to reflect your language preference. After completing these steps, the SoundCloud app will display in your chosen language. Enjoy exploring music in a way that feels comfortable for you.